Leadership, entrepreneurship, communications, and mentoring continued. We also discussed leadership development, adaptive leadership. Adaptive leadership in VUCA world, which is volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world, need to be thought about. The month confirmed we are leaders, we communicate, we are accountable, we love, we give, we walk, we talk. We have within us to be useful, adaptive, servant leaders for transformation. Let us plan and get going there. The gist includes leader has followers who are people and born leaders themselves. While leadership is innate, it remains dormant and at times remains invisible and never comes out clearly. It becomes important to nurture and polish the leadership potential of our born leaders, born adaptive leaders. Leadership is of the leaders, for the leaders, and by the leaders. Complete commitment and ownership for all activities. Leadership is taking up portfolio of risky activities in the VUCA world for its benefits. World and the context of leaders is volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. New technologies help but make it more VUCA. New emerging cultures are adaptations but keep it VUCA. Leader is useful to the world in meeting its needs, in tackling its challenges. With this, leader's essential agenda is mobilizing, expanding, and nurturing the team or extended teams of leaders and the great leaders with gusto and single mindedly. The agenda includes stretching them. The agenda includes stretching self by expanding knowledge, skills, tools, and resources for doing the same. Great leaders cannot do anything else but nurturing leaders, leaders greater than the self. Intensity keeps on increasing, extent keeps on expanding. The leadership means working in the arena of influence in addressing the needs of the VUCA world. The arena itself needs to stretch. It works in all directions, including working deep inside, with self, within self, with peers, with leaders on ground, with leaders on upper echelon, with people not in the formal ambit, with people within and without, with all life within and without. This requires raising temperature to a level where leadership and results happen. This is to create reasonable chaos leading to productive equilibrium towards actions that meet need of the world. This requires being accountable to the world, the team and the self. This requires bowing with humility to the wisdom of the governance and intelligence of the governing universe. This requires communication with all five sense organs of the body, with the gut, with the hands, with the entire body, with heart, with mind, with soul, with all indriyas, with sarvendriyas, with others around, with the self, doing what we say and saying what we do, is the leadership. Leadership includes entrepreneurship, includes mentoring, includes serving the people, serving the world. Great leaders lead leaders, not followers. They lead to last for legacy with an echoing concern of what after us. They lead change with open arms for the larger good of the poor and vulnerable. They lead teams and teams, not just a few individuals. They lead partners by creating forums for partnerships, and they lead themselves. Flowing in the leadership with leading self is their hallmark. The evidence of their great leadership is in their effective communication, deep accountability, and raining love on the leaders around. We can do it if we want. Practice, practice, and practice. Plan, practice, reflect, plan, practice, and so on in a cycle. If we do not do this when opportunity knocks, which is quite often, we will be inadequate. We live in leadership management action continuum. We catapult ourselves into leadership. integrating, being a role model, being a boundary manager. We need to respond. To respond, we need to have the ability and we need to develop the ability. Let us plan and be ready every time. To be able to do this, we need to show courage. We need to be vulnerable. We need to do dialogue and we need to practice. We need to be self aware. We need to self manage. We need to be assertive, not aggressive and not passive. For us to lead ourselves, we need to practice habitually silence, stillness, meditation, unedited thoughts, being with nature, watching life, unlearning, reading, music or art, yoga, etc. We have a mission. We need articulated and shared vision, a plan, vehicle, system, and trust with capacities for this. The future of this universe is in we becoming moving spirits, leading ourselves and leaders around us, living our vision, values, creating culture ecosystem, influencing greatness, advocating wholeness, and laying path to performance with Sarvendriyas towards simple, meaningful, fulfilling life for all of us and the universe. Let us be strategic. Let us work upwards. Let us be ethical. Let us build charisma. Let us celebrate, stimulate, empower, and live with integrity. Let us make haste slowly. This is Sevayaka Yoga. This is leading leaders. This is flowing together, meeting the needs of ever expanding whole. This is Mahanayaka Yogam. Can we be there? Yes, if we pursue Atma Yoga, if we lead ourselves into the flowing of being useful, if we lead meeting the needs, if we flow adaptive, if we nudge one another along in flowing into the whole, if we plan and practice flowing, if we love, learn, give, and flow, Krishna confirms that Krishna is in the flow itself. Join us in the world of yoga for life towards Jagannataka Yoga Siddhi. You will not regret it.